What do you look for in a car? What do you look for in life? Do you want to be comfortable? Do you want a smooth ride? Is it about the control? Is it about the power? To you, a car is worth more than the price tag. You know its worth, and you know yours. It's a part of your lifestyle, a direct reflection of yourself. You view your car as people have for the last 347 years, a piece of history. We in history have a lot in common. We are not perfect. You, along with your car, have a past, composed with excitement and heartbreak. It's surprisingly easy to get tunnel vision, to be overcome with the fear or enjoyment it brings us. It's easy to be comfortable and to accelerate through life unaware of your surroundings. But what if you were to stop? From living in a blur to taking a second look at reality and realizing what has been right in front of you the whole time. Your life is as your car. You're in control. And sometimes it needs fixing. What does it mean to be humble? Is it to have the world in the palm of your hands and to keep a closed fist? Or is it to give up the world as you know it to seek a new reality? Sometimes you have to get lost to find new roads, to find what is important to you. We can't change the past. We are not in control of our destiny, and we can't predict the future. But we can take advantage of every moment we're in. So what happens next is up to you. Are you going to accept reality, or will you stop and take the time to make it your own?